In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a brain dump box in Notion to quickly capture ideas, tasks, and reminders in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for brain dump, inbox, or a similar capture template, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Open the template and replace the sample entries with your own ideas, tasks, notes, or reminders. The goal is to capture everything quickly without worrying about organizing it first. Customize the database by adding properties such as priority, category, status, or due date if you want to sort and manage your entries later. Review your brain dump box regularly. Move important items into your task manager, project pages, or calendar and archive or delete anything you no longer need. Using a brain dump box helps keep your mind clear while making sure no important ideas or tasks are forgotten. That's how to use a brain dump box in Notion. Thanks for watching.